feeling like these bitches didn't even know what the outcome. Decent bitches didn't know them. So sure about this shit and spitting game is what he present and don't sure it's the shit and he coming saying that on the
Only got a short time, but a bitch had a dime, and I scooped it up for her linen. Now I gotta shine, and the bitch really wet it out, so I really bet her out that she couldn't get more money than a fucking doubt. OG nigga veteran in this game, bitch put to shame when she tried to come fucking lane. Couldn't get no response, bitch had to take it in the rear, so I got her back when I looked at her in the rear view. Bitch, I got hella hoes in my back rear view, cause I'm passing all they track hear you in the brain when I rap, when I rack in they temple, now they fucking believe in me, now I gotta believe a G will be all the one they preach to, all they want to see through, when they come and beat through the fucking tricks and come up to a lord, and the bitch couldn't afford nothing, if she was a bore.
Sitting here on the road, waiting to see the pain outcome where you're coming from. Sitting
Coming,
here on
racking.
the track, trying to sell it easy so I get this money so it can come back.
Coming here racking. Coming here racking, city trapping, and the bitch back in every fucking mood that I move, and I bitch macking, nigga bitch I'm macking, and I see her tapping up more than a water fountain, bitch I keep her pouring like a whole fucking hotline, horrorism, and she wanna pitching, so I let her do anything she want, let her booty drop, let her chant any fucking flunk, and that bitch flood, iron it. Betty Chocolate, coming here racking, coming here racking, bitch chopping, bitch flirting, and I'm coming here racking, coming here racking. Started off good and it kept going through the hood. Now I got a bitch and she's trying to say it's always for a thought. Always try to bar the things that I tell her, just listen when I fault. Every fucking sucker that stepped up to the plate, bitches will demonstrate how I really killed a fake. Bitch, I will take you out your motherfucking prison. Bitch opened up and I made her get a pension. Coming here racking, coming here trapping, and the bitch flirting. When I come in here racking, come in here racking, come in here trapping, and the bitch flirting. When I come in here racking,
Trying to get this money. Yeah, trying to get this money on a track.
come in here racking, come in here racking.